Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zato Guilty Gear Strive. Zato 1 is a highly unique character who fights alongside his shadow familiar, Eddie. Understanding how to command Eddie is absolutely essential for Zato's success. Eddie has his own dedicated gauge, which limits his actions and recovers when he is not active. Effective management of this gauge is the cornerstone of Zato's powerful pressure and combo extensions. Eddie offers a versatile set of attacks, each serving a specific purpose in combat. You can summon Eddie by performing a quarter-circle forward motion combined with a punch button. His actions are governed by a special gauge, visible just below Zato's health bar. This gauge depletes with every command and recovers when Eddie is inactive. If the gauge completely runs out, Eddie will automatically return to Zato's side. Zato's offense revolves around overwhelming opponents with simultaneous attacks from both Zato and Eddie. This creates incredibly difficult mix-ups and maintains constant pressure. Seamlessly combine Zato's normal attacks with Eddie's various commands to craft intricate block strings. Eddie is also invaluable for extending combos, allowing Zato to achieve impressive damage numbers. Specifically, use Eddie's drill for ground control and pierce for aerial threats. Beyond offense, Eddie is a powerful defensive tool, capable of shielding Zato or interrupting incoming attacks. Careful management of Eddie's gauge is paramount. Running out leaves Zato exposed and vulnerable. Remember, you can manually recall Eddie at any time to conserve his gauge or quickly reposition him for a new strategy. Consistent practice in timing Eddie's summons and attacks will significantly elevate your Zato gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.